To download the TSM tool on your PC, search for it in your browser. Click on the official website and verify it. There are two versions available. Choose the one you need and click the download icon. When prompted, click Download anyway. Once downloaded, open the zip file and run the exe file. When it pop up, click Next, then Install. After installation, you can launch and use it from your desktop. If you simply want to remove FRP on your Android device, there's a more user-friendly alternative, MagFone Android Unlocker. While TSM offers powerful features for professionals, it often requires technical knowledge and careful handling. In contrast, MagFone simplifies the FRP bypass process with guided steps, making it easier for beginners. Here's how to use MagFone Android Unlocker to bypass the FRP lock on an Android phone.